Social critic and activist VeryDarkMan, VDM, has declared that his newly launched Ratel Movement will begin what he described as a nationwide shutdown across all 36 states of Nigeria, starting from Monday, 29th of September 2025. According to VDM, the initiative is not a political protest, but a civic-driven sanitation campaign aimed at restoring cleanliness in public spaces and reviving patriotism among Nigerians. He explained that the Ratel Movement intends to mobilize citizens across the country with special attention to public schools, markets, motor parks, and other community gathering points. As part of the campaign, VDM announced that members of the movement will dedicate every last Saturday of the month to sanitation exercises. Activities will include clearing blocked drainage systems, cleaning refuse dumps, sweeping streets, and sensitizing Nigerians about the importance of hygiene and collective responsibility. He stressed that the effort is designed to instill patriotism in the minds of Nigerians, adding that cleanliness should be tied to national pride and not left to government agencies alone.
Alright, starting from the 29th of November 2025, which will be on Saturday, we the Ratel Movement are taking over Nigeria. We are shutting down this country. That being said, we are not shutting it down in terms of violence, we are shutting it down in terms of impact. We are going to start what has never been seen before in Nigeria. We are going to be moving from just being on social media, claiming to be Ratels, to presenting ourselves in real life and impacting, like direct impact in our society. Now, what are we going to be doing? Starting from the 29th, being the Saturday, last Saturday of November, moving on, every Saturday, every last Saturday of every month, we the Ratels are going to come out to do community service. We'll be jumping into every gutters, clearing the, what did they call them again? Clearing the sewage. The drainage. We are going to be clearing the drainage. Not just that, we'll go into public schools, we'll clean the public schools, all these places where they are like dirty, where they don't heap dirty for roadside, we'll go there, we'll clear it. In all 36 states, in Abuja, we'll do it in Gwarimpa, we'll do it in Maraba, we'll do it in Nyanya, we'll do it in Kubwa, we'll do it in Lube. All these places that are dirty, we are going to go into them and we are going to clear it up. Now, why are we going to do this? We want to promote patriotism in the hearts of the youth. We are not going to limit the problems of Nigeria solely to the politicians. Yes, the politicians, they do out their own, but we self, when time don't reach up, we say we will need to contribute to make this country great. Now, the day when I get this inspiration for it, now the day when we say, at the come, Lagos, 3rd Milan Bridge, person day for 3rd Milan Bridge, they shit. And people, they pass on. A lot of people see that guy that they pass him. It is because we lack patriotism in Nigeria. We lack patriotism in Africa. Because if to say you love your country enough, if you tell that guy make you stand, make you no shit for there. A lot of times you go they pass road. Like I just left Akwa Ibom. On my way to Ibom Resort, you get one place where we say they heap dirty for road. For road, people they pass, nobody get clear am. So those are the kind of things that we are going to take care of. Places where dirty, they will go clean them, we'll go public school, we'll paint their blackboard. If their chairs no they okay, we'll go knock them. Some kind of roads like this were no good, we'll go make sure say okay, we fill them up so that speed bump no go there, you know. A lot of things that we can lay our hands on, we are going to do it. So I'm going to put the number on this screen. You see the way they mix am with English and Pidgin, make me more Nigerian. And after all, if I know the politician wanted to say things the exact way. Do you understand? So there will be a number on this screen, as you can see. From that number, if you did Port Harcourt, if you say, okay, you want to be in charge of this so area, now you and some Ratels go clean up, we go put you there. If you did every local government, we want to make sure we touch the whole 36 states, starting from the last Saturday of November. It's not going to be easy, but we go feed one. So now, it will be time for Ratels to talk, say, we say if we get something to talk, say we contribute for this country. It no go easy, we feel fail, but we no go stop, and we go definitely do 100%. So please key in, and also we get group, we get house for Clubhouse. If you know the application called Clubhouse, it's on my screen. We get app for Clubhouse, where they call the Ratel Movement. You can join it. Nigeria will go till they do our meetings. Now, this is an important part of everything. This Ratel Movement, when we come together in order to do the things where I explain say we want to do, we are not going to be political. Political talks are not welcome within our midst. We no go come here, come talk say na APC better, na PDP better, na Labour Party better, na SDP na better. No, we are not doing all that. Individually, you can support whatever party you want to support. But when we gather, we say we want set out, we want go clean here. We will not welcome any political discussions. Because now when politics come, like problem they come. Next thing, tribalism don't enter. We are not like that. We are just patriotic Nigerians that want Nigeria to grow. Because we know for the fact that we no feel leave this thing only for the politicians. Nigeria don't they break, Nigeria don't they break. Everybody they mind their business. We lack patriotism. That is the first thing. We all lack patriotism. When make if somebody won't do small thing, they'll say, it did one for clout. Meanwhile, those are your corporate social responsibilities. Do you understand? We need to love our country enough before we can change our country. So that's the most important thing that I want to share. If you distract me, I will slap you. See your big head, like shoe. I'm sorry. So thank you very much. Please, the numbers are there, and it will be a time for the Ratels to say yes, we won't do something. Do you understand? And guess what? While we start, more just we start. You know, so now starting the problem. Once we start, bam, we don't move. Then we can add other activities. Thank you very much, and God bless the Ratel movement. And also the Ratels in diaspora, if you feel the need to join, we know if we control on our own side here, because I don't even know the area so on a day. But for Nigeria, it will be easier to go there, do these things. I feel touch like 2, 3, 4 states in a day in respect to this movement. So thank you very much, and don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn, and you will learn the hard way. And also, Nigeria, okay, this one not be anybody uniform. Not be anybody will come meet me saying a uniform. Do you understand? This is not my own uniform. This alone, don't play. The mic not the work. I just make it look interesting. Bye bye.